with Kathy's Garden. I am so glad you have joined me. We're going to make these adorable Valentine's Day pouches. They would be great for teachers' gifts, or you could pack one in one of your loved ones' lunches. You could give them to your coworkers or your church friends. So if you like, please share and subscribe. Hit that like button. And a big shout out to Mackenzie. Alrighty, let's get going. So what you're going to need to do first is get yourself a large piece of paper. A 12 by 12 would be awesome. And what you need to do is you're going to cut it on the diagonal. So I'm just going to fold it on the diagonal. This helps me a great deal. And you're going to cut it out, and you're going to end up with a piece that looks like this. Then what you'll need to do is we need to cut off these ends. So get your cutter, and we're going to cut 3 inches off one end, and we need to cut 3 inches off the other end. Just like that. Easy peasy. Alrighty, so it's going to be folded over like this to make the pouch, but this part right here, we're going to take the pieces that we cut off on the end, and we're going to put it right up here. I have some others that I have cut off that I'm going to grab and put up here. There. So let me get my little glue piece of paper, which is a glue book, and let's glue this on the tip. Let me make sure that I am in frame. Yes, I am in frame. Okay. We're going to glue this. Just a little bit of glue. It does not matter what glue you like to use. Just like that. And one more. I hope everyone's day is going well. I'm having a wonderful day today. It's a little chilly outside, and the sun is not shining, but it's still a wonderful day. So on the bottom, we're going to turn it up about an inch, about a half an inch. That's about a half an inch. Just like this. And we're going to fold it like it's going to be folded, wrapped around. Maybe that's a better word. Like wrapped around. And I like to take my pencil, make this even, the size you're going to want it. Well, it keeps slipping on me. There we go. And I just like to mark it inside with my pencil, just so I know where I'm going to take a notch out. This helps it fold and gives it a little gusseted bottom. All right, so we're going to put a little glue on the pattern middle and the inside of the 2 ends. That way, when you fold it, the glue will be on the proper side for you. And you just fold it in, and it will stick, just like that. I like to take my ruler with my rounded end and stick it inside and help push it down so it will be here. I hope you just didn't see my head in there. Just like that. And these extra little corners, I just round off. just like that. Ta-da! Okay, so this is Mod Podge with a little bit, with my brush. I just put a little tiny bit and I stick it on here for the glue. Hold it just for a second. Alrighty, so we're almost finished with this one. So you're going to need a 10 by 2 inch, we call it a belly band. And this is what you're going to use to wrap around. Like this, and then you'll put your decoration on here. So we'll just apply a little bit of glue. It will not take a lot, just a little. You don't have to glue everywhere. Actually, it's probably best if you don't glue everywhere. And we're going to wrap it around, just like this. Hold it just for a second while the glue sets. There we are. Now let's decorate. So you might have punches. You might have lace. You might have maybe some stickers or some eyelash trim. Let's put a little bit of eyelash trim on there. I think that would be cute. Let's move this glue paper out of the way. And let's just give it a tie right here. Alrighty. There we are. Perfect. I'm going to take a little Mod Podge and Mod Podge that down so it doesn't move around a lot. There you go. That's all you need, is just a tad. And let's cut us out a red one. I think a red one would be very pretty. Let me find my red paper. Here we are. Here's the red paper. Yes, I think red would be a little... Of course, you could do pink. What do you think? Do you like the pink better? Or do you think you'll like the red better? I think I like the red. So let me go ahead and get this punched out. This is my punch, and it punches just like this, but I have to use some muscle, so I had to set it down on the ground to get it punched out because this is pretty thick cardstock. Wonder how it would look if I put this through here. I'm just experimenting just to see. I haven't done this before. Put it in here. Do I like that? And tie it on. I'm not sure I do. No, I do not. No, I do not like that. No, 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 no. Alrighty. Let's cut a little piece of white paper. We can use this as a stencil. And let's just use that as our stencil. Cut it around. Cut this out real quick. Fussy cut this out. And we'll use it to back this heart with white, and then it will just stand out a little better. Sorry if I bumped y'all. I didn't mean to. I'm still getting used to this. I'm still working on my setup. All right, what do you think of that? I think that's adorable. Alrighty, let's go ahead and use a little heavier duty glue to adhere to this. Just like that. And let's put this right on here like this. Hold it for just a few minutes while it sticks. We'll cut our tassels just a little shorter. There we are. And that's all there is to it. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun, and when you're through, you'll have a lovely Valentine's Day pouch. See you soon. Bye, guys.